Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the Drug Technical Advisory Board DTAB. Member of the DTAB total there are the 18 member, and in which 8 members are the ex officio and 5 members are nominated by the central government, where 5 members are elected members. First is the ex officio members, Director General of the Health Services Chairman. Second is the Drug Controller of the India. Third one is Director Central Drug Laboratory Kolkata. Next is the Director Central Research Institute Kasoli and Director Indian Veterinary Research Institute Ijjatnagar. Next is the President of the Pharmacy Council of India and the President the Medical Council of India. Next is the Director Central Drug Research Institute Lucknow. Next are the nominated members. They are the 5 members. 2 persons among us those who are the in charge of drug controlling.